Montague Gluckstein, the 18th of July 1854 to the 7th of October 1922, was a director of Salmon and Gluckstein Tobacco Merchants, and one of the founders of J. Lyons & Co., a restaurant chain, food manufacturing, and hotel conglomerate created in 1884 that dominated British mass catering in the first half of the 20th century. Early life. Montague Gluckstein was the son of Samuel Gluckstein, the founder of Salmon and Gluckstein. Career. He succeeded his brother Isidore Gluckstein as chairman of J. Lyons & Co. Personal life. He married Matilda Franks, b. 1861. In 1884, his son Samuel Montague Gluckstein, 1884–1928, was a director of J. Lyons & Co. His son Isidore Montague Gluckstein, 1890–1975, became managing director, then chairman, then president of J. Lyons & Co.